Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a ringtone for your iPhone. The ringtones which you can use it's this. Okay, sure you don't like that. So follow me. Go and open iTunes. Go to music and select a song. For example, I want this. So go here and get info. Options, okay, and go to type it, okay, and click OK. So now go to the same track and click on create AAC version. Okay, you see now you have two the same. This is your ringtone and that's the original song. So go on your ringtone, click on your ringtone and go show in Windows Explorer. Okay. Go look the icon here and go organize. Okay. Click apply, okay, and go here. Sorry. Look, okay. Look the icon here, and look now. You see? Change. So now go to ringtones here. If you don't have this icon, go to edit, preferences, and to general, put tick here and click OK. So now click to ringtone and go to this file here and drag your ringtone in this file here. You see? Here. This one. Okay. Now go to now connect your iPhone with computer. Okay. Yeah. Go to ringtone and click here, tick here, and apply. Wait for a second. And look now. That is all my ringtone. Okay, go now to settings, sound, ringtone, and here. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to comment for my video, and if you want help, send me an email. Thank you very much guys. Bye.